Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create free TradingView account. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to TradingView website. Once you are in the website, here you can see the Get Started for Free button. Click on it. Next up, here you can see the Sign Up button. And it says it costs $0 to create an account. So that means you can create your account for free. So click on Sign Up button. Now you will be prompted to the sign up page. Here you have different options to sign up. You can create your new account with the Google, with Facebook, with Twitter, Yahoo, your Apple ID, your LinkedIn ID, or you can even use your email ID. So for now, I'll show you how to sign up with the email. So I'll click on email. You can choose your preferred method. So here you need to enter your email address and your password. Once you enter your email address, you can now create a strong password for this account. Make sure your password is secured and easy to remember. Once you're done, you can now click on Create Account button. Now you will receive a verification link to your registered email. So now you need to check your email. Go to your email and find the mail from TradingView. Open the mail and you will receive the activation link. Now click on this Activate Account button. Next up, you can set your username and click on Next. And there you go, you've successfully created a free account in TradingView. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.